Hello everyone and welcome back to English Plains. Today I come with this very tricky math question. You will find it tricky if you don't follow the rules and try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you shout out here. These are top commenters. You can be the part of this list. Okay. So what we have, question number 4, 80 divided by 4 parenthesis 3 plus 2. So we will solve here 80 divided by 4 3 plus 2 which equals to 5. Again 80 divided by 4, we can write like this, 4 times 5. 80 divided by 4 times 5 which equals to 20. Now when we operate 80 divided by 20, we will get answer 4. So do you think this is the right way? Okay, no, this is not the right way. We will use PEMDAS here and we will follow simple mathematics with a step-wise solution. Okay, so everybody will understand what's going on here. So we will write here our question again, 80 divided by 4t plus 2. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, the first preference will be given to parenthesis. So we will solve this part. 3 plus 2, you will get answer 5. Okay, so we can write 80 divided by 4 5. This is same. Okay, so we will write again here 80 divided by 4 times 5. Now according to PEMDAS, division, multiplication have the same priority and we have to operate from left to right in that case. So first we have to operate this 80 divided by 4, not this 4 into 5. So you will get right or wrong answer. Actually you are doing this in previous. So when we operate 80 divided by 4, we will get 20. So we will rewrite like this, 20 times 5 which equals to nothing but what, 100. So here 100 is the right answer. And if you're seniors, then please check out our best products for seniors in the description for memory boosting, more memory maths. Okay, must check out and like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.